Today we have the 2015 Volkswagen Transporter camper. This vehicle has done just under 41,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our kitchen area, which is complete with our cooker, sink and fridge just below. Moving on to our first of two double beds. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, this doubles up as two belted seats, making this camper 4-berth, 4 belts. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, media, Apple and Android CarPlay, smartphone integration and setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below we have our AC, and if we pan the camera around, we can get a good view of our pop top.